Open PowerShell, go to the root folder of your Vue project. Then type in npm run build and hit enter. Then, wait a few moments for it to build. Once that's done, you can go ahead and copy files from server to back them up. You can put it anywhere on your local machine, so that you'll have it in case you need them later on. Since I save them multiple copies on local, I would just rename them with timestamp. After I back them up, I go back to the server and open that folder. Now, go to your local folder where you built earlier, and copy them up. And overwrite them with files on the server. It's just another way to upload files to the server. And that's it. That's how you build and deploy your Vue application.